In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gemini to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable credential setup so you can drop Gemini into any n8n workflow without reconfiguring it each time. Make sure you're signed in to n8n with permission to manage credentials and have your Gemini credentials ready to paste in. Start by looking at the left-hand sidebar in n8n. Click on Personal to open your personal workspace settings. From there, switch to the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores secure connections to external services. Click the Create Credentials button. You'll see a catalog of services you can connect to, organized by name and logo. Use the search bar to find Google Gemini and select it from the list. Picking the correct provider template ensures n8n knows exactly which fields to ask for and how to authenticate behind the scenes. You'll now see a form for Gemini. Enter the required credentials exactly as provided by your Gemini account. Keep them secure. Don't share them or paste them into public places. For easier management later, give this credential a clear name and optional description, like noting which environment it belongs to. This helps you distinguish between testing and production without guessing. When everything looks correct, click Save. If n8n flags any validation issue, double-check for typos, missing characters, or permissions on the Gemini side. Once saved, your Gemini credential appears in your credentials list. That means you're ready to use it in workflows. When you build or edit a workflow and add a Gemini-related node, you'll see a credentials drop-down in the node settings. Select the credential you just saved, and the node will inherit those settings automatically. No need to re-enter secrets. n8n links the node to your stored credential, keeping things consistent and secure across multiple workflows. A couple of quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Use descriptive names so teammates know which credential to pick. Limit who can access or edit credentials according to your organization's policies. If you ever rotate keys for security, update the saved credential here so all linked nodes continue to work without manual changes. And remember, interfaces can evolve. So if the layout looks a little different in a future version of n8n, the flow is the same. Open Personal, go to Credentials, Create, select Google Gemini, enter your details, and save. That's it. You've connected Gemini to n8n and set yourself up for fast, reliable, AI-powered automation in your workflows.